Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix YouTube settings in mobile. So open up the mobile or open up the YouTube app, right? Go ahead to the settings or click on you at the bottom right and then click on the settings. And then in the general, you can adjust the settings or modify settings like notifications, autoplay, restricted mode, or in the privacy, you can just go ahead into manage your watching history, playlists, and subscriptions, right? Or playback. In the playback section, you're gonna be able to see right here, or autoplay, playback. If you don't find it, autoplay maybe comes instead of it. You can change the quality settings and restrictions, and click clear cache if you didn't find what you need, and go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, general, and then iPhone storage. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just try to pin down YouTube. And then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the app, and by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data. Alright, and make sure that you updated your YouTube to the latest version. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.